We can attach and include files on our Documents tab. This will hold files up to 100 megabytes, so we can share larger CAD and PDF files. Works much like a Dropbox or a file sharing tool where we can upload from our computer and share any files we want all the bidders to see. Some of these files or documents may include forms that you want your contractors to complete with their submission. To add these to the bidder's checklist, we can create or add an upload request. In this case, we'll do a subcontractor reference and provide them with instructions. And link it to a document. In the modern day, many people are creating fillable PDFs, which will allow your contractors to fill the form directly in the program. To create these fillable forms, watch our next video.